Sound spelling inconsistencies. Why is English so difficult to learn how to spell? If each letter always stood for the same phoneme, it would be relatively easy to learn to spell in English. However, English has borrowed words from many languages, some of which include the following: French, Latin, German, Greek, Italian, Scandinavian, Yiddish, Arabic, Japanese, Native American, and Spanish. Given that each of these languages has its own unique system of spelling, it is not surprising that English is so full of inconsistencies. Sometimes the same sound is spelled using different letters. See. See again. Seen. Receive. Amoeba. Machine. And Aesop. Sometimes the same letter can stand for different sounds. Sign, pleasure, resign. Sometimes a letter has no sound at all. No, doubt, though, island, and moose. Contrarily, phonetic transcription is very consistent. There is always a one-to-one correspondence between sounds and symbols. This is even true across languages, so that phonetic symbols can be used to transcribe the sounds of any language. But I'll limit our study to the phonetic symbols typical to American English. Remember that the phonetic symbols indicated within square brackets are used to distinguish them from letters or words written in ordinary orthography. These symbols represent the sounds of a language, not the letters of a writing system. Notice the consistency with phonetic transcription. So let's look at those same words again. See, seen, we have receive, amoeba, and we have Aesop. We have the words sign, pleasure, resign. Notice how you have three separate symbols for these different sounds in the second row of words. Number 3, we have no, doubt, though, island, and moose.